I copied her. Same serum, same morning routine, but my skin got drier. And not just a little dry, when we're talking desert by midday kind of dry. Turns out it wasn't the product, it was the timing. Let me show you the truth about when to use hyaluronic acid, and why most people are unknowingly using it the wrong way. Hyaluronic acid is often called a moisture magnet, and for good reason. It pulls water into your skin like a sponge, leaving it plump, dewy, and hydrated. That's why it's in nearly every serum, moisturizer, and miracle anti-aging cream out there. It works, but, and this is a big but, if you don't use it correctly, you could actually dry out your skin instead of hydrating it. Yes, I said that right. Let's break it down. Imagine you're in a dry environment, or you apply hyaluronic acid to skin that's already dry. What happens? It starts pulling water from the deep layers of your skin, and that water evaporates. So now you're left with tight, flaky skin and a bottle of serum mocking you on the bathroom shelf. Dermatologist Dr. Shireen Idris explains it like this. You should always apply hyaluronic acid to slightly damp skin and follow it with a proper moisturizer to lock it in. Otherwise, you're basically giving your skin a sip of water, then slamming the door before it can enjoy the drink. Now here's where things get even trickier. When should you use it, morning or night? Let's talk morning first. In the morning, your skin is exposed to wind, sun, stress, and that mystery air at the office that somehow feels both humid and dry. Using hyaluronic acid in the morning can help your skin hold onto water and stay smooth throughout the day. But, and this is critical, you have to seal it with a good moisturizer, or all that water will evaporate faster than your patients on Monday morning. Now, nighttime, while you sleep, your skin switches into repair mode. It loses moisture as it rebuilds, so using hyaluronic acid at night gives your skin a chance to deeply hydrate and boost collagen while you dream. If you pair it with a nourishing night cream, it works over time, like a spa treatment while you're snoring. But here's what most people get wrong. They apply it to completely dry skin and stop there. Or worse, they layer makeup right on top, skipping moisturizer altogether. That's like building a sandcastle with no sand. Hyaluronic acid needs moisture to work and something to lock it in place. No moisture in, no moisture out. Just regret and a very confused epidermis. So here's the right way to use it. Step 1. Cleanse your skin and leave it slightly damp. You want it fresh, not dripping, like a well-squeezed sponge. Step 2. Apply your hyaluronic acid serum gently. Don't rub it in too aggressively. Let it sit for a few seconds. Step 3. Seal everything in with a moisturizer. Choose one that suits your skin type. Creamy for dry skin, lightweight gel for oily skin. This step matters just as much as the serum itself. Now, let's recap this real quick. Step 1, damp skin. Step 2, apply hyaluronic acid. Step 3, seal with moisturizer. Morning, night, or both. It works either way, as long as you use the right routine. The magic isn't in the product alone, it's in how you layer it. If this helped you avoid a $60 hydration mistake, do your skin a favor and hit that subscribe button. You're watching Skin Detox Hub and we're just getting started. Watch our next video, 7 dermatologist-approved home remedies that actually reduce wrinkles and cost less than a coffee run. Click now, your glow is waiting.